Once again, dear children, let us revise the sound of I. The sound of I is I. Now, see closely. I, ink pot. I, ink pot. I, igloo. I, igloo. I, insects. I, insects. I, iguana. I, iguana. I, ill. I, ill. I, invitation. I, invitation. All right. We have learned the sound of E. Learn तो पहले ही कर लिया था. Today we revise the sound of E. Now we have to revise the sound of D. Here, now look at these pictures. Remember, हमने ये pictures पहले भी किए थे. This is the sound of D that we will revise. What is this? It's a dog. D. The sound of D is D. D, dog. D, dog. What is this? It's a duck. D, duck. D, duck. D, what is this? Door, darwaza. D, door. This is, what is this? Drum. D, drum. D, drum. D, dolphin. D, dolphin. D, doll. D, doll. डॉल्फिन कहाँ रहता है? पानी में रहता है ना? लेकिन कौन से पानी में? लेक या पॉन्ड, ऐसे छोटे छोटे जगहों पे नहीं. डॉल्फिन रहता है समुंदर में. डॉल्फिन लिव्स इन द सी. उसे बहुत सारा पानी चाहिए होता है. एंड डॉल्फिन्स लव टू प्ले विथ चिल्ड्रन. पता है तुम्हें? दे लव टू प्ले विथ चिल्ड्रन. सो द डॉल्फिन. ऑलराइट. डॉग, duck, door, drum, dolphin, doll. So we have revised the sound of D also. So children, this is the sound of I that we revised. So मैंने यहाँ पे I को रख दिया. All right. And this was D, D, the sound of D. There you go. So I have I and D, and when I and D come close and become friends, what do we get? We get I, D, id. I, D, id. I, D, id. All right. So we have I, we have D, and what do we get? I, D, id. All right. Now we have to write this in our notebook.